Concerned. We quickly move across to the other breaking news that's coming in. We learned that there has been an earthquake, tremors that have been felt in the national capital and some regions of the NCR. All right, big breaking news coming in. Strong tremors and jolt were felt in Delhi and NCR. Delhi has been jolted by earthquake. There were strong tremors that were felt in Noida as well. We, however, do not have initial details on what was the intensity of the earthquake, on what magnitude was the earthquake witnessed in. Details are awaited, but strong tremors were felt in Delhi, NCR regions as well. Noida, Ghaziabad are the other places where earthquake tremors were felt. We learned that the exact time of the earthquake was 9:04 a.m. And that's the latest breaking news that we are getting in. Initial details are awaited on what the magnitude of the earthquake was, and we'll try and get across to our reporters who are reporting from the ground on that incident. But that's the latest news that we are getting into our newsrooms right now, that the estimated earthquake of magnitude 4.1 was witnessed in the region of Delhi NCR. Now, these are the initial details that we are getting. It is 4 kilometers. The epicenter of the earthquake was 4 kilometers from Gurawara in Haryana, and 9:04 is the time that we have been given as far as the magnitude of the earthquake is concerned. There are strong tremors, remember, that was felt in Delhi NCR. Magnitude of the earthquake remains to be around 4.1, which is minimum. However, we did experience a jolt, and earthquake has hit regions of Delhi NCR, which also includes Noida, Ghaziabad, Sonipat and Haryana. And now when we talk about Haryana, it was the epicenter of the earthquake was 4 kilometers from Gurawara in Haryana. 9:04 a.m. is the time that has been given. Latest breaking news that's coming in into our newsrooms right now. Earthquake tremors have been felt in Delhi NCR region. It has jolted Delhi, Noida and Gurgaon. We are learning that the earthquake epicenter was 4 kilometers from Gurawara in Haryana. 9:04 a.m. is the exact time which has been given as far as the earthquake time is concerned, and this has been given by the officials on their official website. We, however, do not have initial details if there has been another epicenter as far as the magnitude of the earthquake is concerned. The epicenter of the earthquake is concerned, but strong tremors were felt in Delhi NCR region. Ghaziabad, Noida and Gurugram are also the main regions where the earthquake was felt. Because the magnitude was nearly 4.1, that's why there has been no strong damages that were witnessed, and there were the atmosphere was a little shaky. However, the epicenter, since it was from Gurawara in Haryana, which is nearly 4 kilometers from the main region, that is why the nearby regions of that area, that is Haryana, which includes Delhi NCR regions like Noida, Ghaziabad and Gurugram, has also witnessed tremors. And these are the first pictures that we are getting in, the first video that we are getting in of the mild earthquake that was witnessed in Delhi NCR regions. Remember, earthquake has jolted Delhi, Noida and Gurugram. Several tremors were witnessed in other parts of the Delhi NCR as well. The 9:04 a.m. is the time that was given. The estimated earthquake magnitude of the earthquake is 4.1. We try and get across to our reporters who are reporting from ground zero and that to get you a detail of what the public is reacting to as far as the earthquake is concerned. But that's the latest that we are getting in. Tremors have hit the Delhi NCR region. Strong tremors were felt in Delhi NCR region, specifically in Noida, Gurugram and Sonipat as well. Haryana is where we learned was the epicenter